Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve this color problem. Guys, you can see guys, every color has removed, your icon color has removed. And guys, how can you solve this problem? Means guys, how can you off this setting in your Samsung phone device? Guys, you can see guys, every color icon color guys different. So I don't worry guys, I will show you guys how can you off this setting in your Samsung phone device. So when first of all open your phone setting to solve this problem, then guys scroll it. Then guys you can see your accessibility setting. So guys tap here. Guys click on this setting. Second option guys visibility. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your color correction is on. So guys you have on by mistake. So guys don't worry, use color correction. Tap here means off. Then guys you can see everything is fine. Guys you can check in your phone. So you can see guys icon color has come back. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve this color problem in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.